Hey, this is Billyo990 showing you another Lego video, and it is the Chima crocodile ship. So I'll get it out for you guys. Awesome! Okay, I'll give you a play-by-play of the crocodile ship. So first of all, I'll show you the characters first. It comes with 6 characters. I'll start out with the king. I forgot his name. I forgot some of the names, but here is him with the iron helmet and the golden helmet and the chi orb and his cape. Then we have Kragger, and he has his sword, Naga sword. He has the chi orb too. I just want to warn you, I forgot a couple pieces of the set. So here it's Razor, I'm pretty sure, and he has the wings. And he has the chi orb too. This guy does not come. I think his name is Crawley. He does not come with the set, but I just want to show him. He does not have the chi orb, but he still has printing on the front and the back, and the legs. Here's a lion warrior. Yeah, he also has the chi orb. And he has printing on the front and the back. I think her name is Cooler, but here she is. She has no chi orb. I wish they could do her differently. Okay. So last. Oh gosh. Yeah. He's in the lion tribe, and he is. Finally, we have another big guy within. He has the orange hair. There, see, that's him. Yes, no chi orb either. I think they put way too many people with chi orbs in this set. But, I mean, really, who cares? This is a pretty cool set, which I'll show you. Jump, jump, jump. Whoa! Here is the crocodile ship. I'll give you a quick right now. So, here's the chomping mouth, which mostly you would use to put this line in. Sometimes it doesn't close, but if you put the guy in separately, it will actually close, but it actually does close with him in the boat. See, so that's the chomping mouth with all the teeth. Finally, I can actually do this so you can actually see And there we go. Oh, wait. I'm not done. And then next, on the sides, we have little boats that have plasma guns or something. It's powered by Chi. And and there's another one. See, so. And then the two cockpits. Yes. So they're pretty much the same, just one has a steering wheel. And then when we get to the middle, there's just a little place where you can do stuff. Sorry, that's my fault. And there's a bunch of space in the middle. I say that was actually kind of a good idea because there is really nothing to put. Because this place thing is awesome. And this is when right next to it is a ship. Whoa, who knew? And two engines are also on here. Blink missiles. Ah! Another one over here. Ah! And then chi orbs, which the lights are trying to get back or something. And then two weapons. There. So. And in all for rating, there's a wicked tail, which is cool. In my rating will be 7.9 because it's not too stable. Because you can sometimes it does like this, and it's not attached pretty well. And then these can just do this, and then sometimes they'll have trouble because the tail kind of breaks off sometimes. But in all, I'd say you should get the set. This is really cool. And it has like 600 something pieces, which isn't too much, but if you get this, it would probably be cool. So, thanks for watching my video, and hopefully you can have as much fun as I had with this set, and thanks for watching.